Maghahain din ang Makabayan Black lawmakers ng kanilang impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM dahil sa sistematikong pandarambong sa pondo ng bayan, paglobos sa unprogrammed funds na ginamit umano sa maanumalyang proyektong kontrabaha at seryosong aligasyon ng kickbacks ng ilang Malacanang sa pamamagitan ng infrastructure projects. Kahapon, inendorso ni House Deputy Minority Leader at Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jet Nisay ang kauna-unahang impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM. Sa loob ng 10 session days, dapat ma-include ng House Leader ang impeachment complaint. At sa loob ng 3 session days, ay mai-refer na sa House Committee on Justice. Oras namang mai-refer sa House Justice Panel ang reklamong impeachment. Initiated na ito at wala nang iba pang impeachment complaint na pwedeng ihain laban sa presidente sa loob ng 1 taon.
But no, I have no links with the president himself. I've never met either the president or the first lady. There's the accusation that, this is intended to trigger the 1-year ban, right? What does matter to me is that there's a need to hold the president accountable. The grounds are there, and I'm looking forward to an opportunity, an avenue through which to have all these grounds ventilated